Hi, in this video, we will see comparison or relational operators in Java. Okay, so what are those? We already seen in one of our previous videos called operators. So double equal equals to, it returns true if both the left side and right side are equal. So this expression should be Boolean. So then both are same, then it will return true. If both are not same, then it will return true. If it is A is greater than B, then it will return true. If A is less than B, then return true. If A is same or greater than, then it will become return true. A is less than B or equal, then it will return true. Okay. So by taking few examples, we will see. So let me go to Visual Studio Code. So here, as I already told, it will return true or false, means you can hold that value inside the Boolean data type only that we saw. So Boolean B is equals to, you can say 10 equals to 10, right? That is double equal. Then only it will true. So it will return what? True. Okay. Then again, Boolean B1 is equals to, okay. So 10 equals to 20, right? So both are not same, but I'm comparing both are same or not. Both are not same, then it will become false. It will return false. Again, Boolean B2 is equals to, now 10 plus 10, okay, 10 plus 10 equal to, okay, 5 plus 15, okay. Boolean B2 equals to, this is one expression and then this is another expression. So after adding this, here we have arithmetic operator. So 10 plus 10 is equals to 20, 5 plus 15 is equals to 20, 20 equals to 20, then it will become true, right? So what we'll do, we'll try to print this one, system.out.println, and then B2, okay. Then I'll print B2. So let me copy this, then Java C, relational operators dot Java, yeah, Java, then relational operators. You see that the last one is true, okay. So now Boolean B3, okay, Boolean B3 is equals to same 10 plus 10, okay, equals to, I have another expression 5 plus 10, okay. Then I'm comparing 20 is equals to 15, then what I'll get false, right? Obviously false. So let me make it a B3, and then I'll try to compile the program and I'll execute the program. This time I'll get false, right? This is false. I'm comparing 20 equals to 15, no. So because of that, it failed, means it's false. Again, Boolean B4 is equals to 10, okay, not equals to 10, right? 10 not equals to 10, is that correct? No, right? So 10 equals to 10, so it will become false, it will return false. So Boolean B5 is equals to, I'll say 10 not equals to 20, right? Both are not same. I'm asking, means let me we are asking that 10 not equals to 20. Then what it is saying? Yes, it is true. The reason is 10 not equals to 20. That is what you are verifying, right? Then it will return true, okay. So then Boolean B6. So I'll take the same examples here. So the same example, but instead of this one, I'll put not equals. So this is 20 not equals to 20. No. Yes, this is 20, 20, right? So then it will become false. Both are same, right? So that is false. Now if I take this one, okay, if I take this one and I'll mention not equals. Okay, 20 not equals to 15. Yes, both are not equal. Then it will become true. So let me, this is B7. Let me print this. Okay, at least we'll see that last 20 not equals to 15, right? So it has to give me true. So let me execute this. We'll see. It should return true. You see that last value is true. B7 is true. Okay. So now we'll move forward and check other ones also. Okay. So here, Boolean B8 is equals to 10 greater than 5. Yes, 10 is greater than 5. We know, because of that it is true. Okay. Then Boolean B9 is equals to 10 less than, sorry, 10 greater than 20. Is 10 is greater than 20? No, that is false. So Boolean B10 is equals to, we'll do the same thing, 10 plus, so let me take, okay, 10 plus 10, okay, is greater than 10 plus 30. Okay, then what it will be? Okay, 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 30, 40. 20 is greater than 40? No, it is false, right? So then Boolean B11 is equals to 10 greater than 10. I'm verifying this. 10 is greater than 10? No, 10 is equals to 10. 10 never be greater than 10. Both are same. So it will be false. So if you want to check that, we'll try to execute at least this last one. So I should get what? False. So let me compile, then execute. You see that false. 10 is not greater than 10. 10 is equals to 10. Okay. So now what we'll do? Boolean B12 is equals to 10 less than 5. Less than symbol I'm talking. This is one of the relational operators, right? Less than. 10 less than 5? No, 10 is greater than 5. Right. So Boolean B13 is equals to, why I'm taking B8, B9, B10, B13? So you cannot use the same variable. You cannot initialize the same variable 2 times. So because of that, I'm keep changing the number. Okay. Otherwise, I can do like this also. Now B12 is equals to, okay. But so you should not use this one. You can use B12 is equals to something like that. Okay, that is also one of the ways. So now B13, 10 is less than 20. Yes, 10 is less than 20. It's true, right? So Boolean B14 is equals to 10 plus 10, 10 plus 10, and what is the 10 plus 10? B14 less than 10 plus 30. Okay, 10 plus 10 is 20, 10 plus 30 is equal to 40, 20 less than 40. Yes, 10 is less than 20 is less than 40. That will become true. Okay. So Boolean B15. Okay, Boolean B15. B15 is equals, what I'm doing, 10 less than 10. So we have seen 10 greater than 10. 10 never be less than or greater than 10, right? It equals. So obviously it will be false. So if you try to execute the same thing here, what is that? B15. Okay, B15 will be false. 10 never less than be the same number. You see that? Again, false. So we will see these things also. What is that? Boolean B16 is equals to 10 greater than or equals to 10. So now we need to think. 10 is greater than 10 or equal means either of this one. It might be greater than or equal. So it is not greater than but equals, right? So then it will become true. If you want to see that B16 and you just compile and run, it will give true. The reason is greater than or equal. 10 is equals to 10, right? So obviously this is true. Okay. So Boolean B17 is equals to 10 greater than or equals to 20, right? It is not equal nor greater than. So it is false. Boolean B18, okay, is equals to 10 plus 10, okay, greater than or equals to 10 plus 30. What could be the output? 20 is not greater than or equals to 40. So obviously this is false. Okay. Now again we'll see less than or equals. Right. B19 is equals to 10 less than or equals to 10. Obviously this is true. The reason is 10 is not less than, but 10 is equals to 10. Less than or equal. Any one of the conditions is true. Means this equal is to true. So it became true. Then Boolean B20 is equals 10 less than, sorry, or equals to 20. Right. Here first condition is true. 10 is less than 20. 10 is not greater than, sorry, 10 is not equals to 20, but 10 is less than 20. This condition is true. So because of that, it will return true. Okay. So Boolean B21 is equals to 10 plus 10 less than or equals to 10 plus 30. Right. The same thing. This is also true. The reason is 20 is less than 40. 20 is not equals to 40, but this condition is true. 20 is less than 40. Because of that, this is true. So let me execute at least this last one. Okay. So B21. Okay. It should give me true. You see that? True. So this is how we need to use these relational or comparison operators. Okay. So we have seen all these things: equals to, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, and less than or equal. Okay. So what could be the possible interview questions from this? What are Java operators? In the high level question, what are Java operators? And specific to this, can you explain Java comparison operators or Java relational operators? Both are same. Okay. That's all in this video. Thank you.